Now you, if you are like if you want to secure your system, if you are system admin, like what all the security settings you gonna do it, guys. Like not from the command prompt itself, like here you need to see Windows update settings. Like you need to see whether your system is up to date or not. You are up to date, guys. That means my system was recently updated, that is like 2:46 a.m. till 2:40. You can see it on the, like you, if you are an end user, like if you are an employee or if you are watching my system, you need to make sure that your system is up to date, because the previous versions of the operating systems or older versions, or what do you say, the operating systems which are not up to date, they can be easily hackable, guys. The hacker doesn't have to send a virus to your machine. With just by knowing the IP address, he can hack your system like remotely. Like some of the operating systems, like let's say Windows of vulnerable versions, they are vulnerable to eternal blue attack. We will see that later. Without sending any file to him, like we can get the shell access on his machine. Like, so you need to check the DOS commands which I showed you before itself. The in that you need to figure out which was the DOS command was responsible to no system was up to date, guys. I already covered. You need to observe the command clearly and then comment here like what was the command.